Hello traders, this is Petko Aleksandrov, and before I go on my computer to show you the trading platform MetaTrader, I would like to tell you something about myself. My first 2 years in trading were horrible. I was probably the worst trader on earth. I was working for this huge broker that I won't mention the name, and I was trading on my desk. Everyone around me was telling me what to do. Let's buy euro-dollar. Let's sell the yen. Tomorrow we will trade the news for the pound. All of that was confusing and I was putting a lot of emotions into each trade. I was trading manually. Now, in manual trading, we decide to open the trade due to many reasons. What we have heard from the others, what we saw on the news, the economic calendar, and in the best case, if you follow a trading strategy. And all of that is before we open the trade. After we open it, the emotions come. Once we are on profit, we get greedy to keep it longer because we want more profits and the profit is gone. At the same time, when we are on profit, we might feel fear because we don't want to miss the profit we already have. We get afraid that if we don't close the trade now, we will lose what we gained and we might close it too early. On the other side, when people are on loss, the price went against them, they are more likely to hope that the price will get back on their level. They were so sure they executed the trade in the right direction at the right moment and they don't want to accept they were wrong. Usually they will close the trade when they see warning for the margin or the broker closes the trade due to insufficient funds. All of these emotions block our mind to see reality and to take precise actions. If you have some experience in trading already, I'm sure you felt some of these emotions and you know what I'm talking about. And this is fine, we're human beings. I have been through all of that. But I found the solution and this is the algorithmic trading. When we use algorithmic trading, all of those emotions I spoke about are gone. No emotions. Pure trading with strategies, nothing more. In algorithmic trading, we use expert advisors or the so-called robots for trading. With simple words, these are coded strategies. We install them on the platform and they execute the strategies in 100% without emotions to interfere. More, the expert advisors trade 24 hours from Monday till Friday, which is not possible for a human. We cannot trade manually effectively more than 8-10 hours per day. And what the most important for me, with algorithmic trading, we can trade many strategies at the same time. While in manual trading, we can trade with 2-3 strategies maximum. Now, I'm just comparing the two. Don't get me wrong, I love manual trading. I trade manually from time to time. I have some courses for manual trading as well where I share some great strategies. But what I'm saying is that algorithmic trading allows us to trade with many strategies and we can trade all the time without actually being in front of the computer. It is the better choice for beginner trader and it is much more with expert advisors. There is a backtest. This means that we can see the performance of a strategy for the last couple of years. We can see where the trades were executed, where were the losses, where were the profits, what was the drawdown, the stagnation and many more statistics that are very important in trading. And this is statistic for 24 hours trading from Monday till Friday, every week, every month, and you will see that in the next lectures.